laughing?
I don't like this shit. I need the shit.
Good God. I can't do the little head motion you do.
Circular motion.
That makes me want to throw up. It's awful.
Stop talking about throw up.
Good God.
Hard, sad. Why's this shit sad?
It's a project we're working on. Hold on. It's gonna be a little while.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a little minute.
It's gonna be a break.
Yeah. It's APC. Disturbing the peace. It's Haley, y'all. That's what you're supposed to say. Ruff, ruff. Take it time, don't matter to me. Study till it hurts while I freestyle freely. I can make this shit look so easy. It's breezy, just waiting for my chance to get cheesy. Looking at a blank page, it's getting scary. I'll be with your girl, still in her cherry. But don't get mad at me, just something that I do so happily. Have her walking bow-legged for a couple of days. Ooh, I can definitely say it was worth the pay. Holler back at me, cause it's me you should thank. Call me Roto Router for getting rid of that stank. Ooh, but don't play a hate, like walking on skates. Can't call it rape, cause she likes it when I stick my ooh between her cakes. Yep. Nah, I'm just playing with you.